How to start a business, a step-by-step guide. Starting a new small business? This video is for entrepreneurs who want to learn the basic steps of starting a new business. Starting a business can be hard work, but if you break down the process of launching your new company into individual steps, you can make it easier. Rather than spinning your wheels and guessing where to start, follow this 10-step checklist to transform your business from a light bulb above your head into a real entity. How to start a business. 1. Refine your idea. If you're thinking about starting a business, you likely already have an idea of what you want to sell online, or at least the market you want to enter. Do a quick search for existing companies in your chosen industry. Learn what current brand leaders are doing and figure out how you can do it better. Learn what current brand leaders are doing and figure out how you can do it better. If you think your business can deliver something other companies don't, or deliver the same thing, only faster and cheaper, you've got a solid idea and are ready to create a business plan. Define your why. It is good to know why you are launching your business. In this process, it may be wise to differentiate between whether the business serves a personal why or a marketplace why. When your why is focused on meeting a need in the marketplace, the scope of your business will always be larger than a business that is designed to serve a personal need. Consider franchising. Another option is to open a franchise of an established company. The concept, brand following and business model are already in place, you only need a good location and the means to fund your operation. Brainstorm your business name. Brainstorm your business name. Regardless of which option you choose, it's vital to understand the reasoning behind your idea. It is not recommended to write a business plan or brainstorming a business name before nailing down the idea's value. Once you have your idea in place, you need to ask yourself a few important questions. What is the purpose of your business? Who are you selling to? What are your end goals? How will you finance your startup costs? These questions can be answered in a well-written business plan. Fledgling business owners can make a lot of mistakes by rushing into things without pondering these aspects of the business. You need to find your target customer base. Who is going to buy your product or service? What would be the point if you can't find evidence of a demand for your idea? Conduct market research. Conducting thorough market research on your field and the demographics of your potential clientele is an important part of crafting a business plan. This involves conducting surveys, holding focus groups, and researching SEO and public data. Market research helps you understand your target customer, their needs, preferences and behavior, as well as your industry and competitors. Many small business professionals recommend gathering demographic information and conducting a competitive analysis to better understand opportunities and limitations within your market. The best small businesses have differentiated products or services from the competition. This significantly impacts your competitive landscape and allows you to convey unique value to potential customers. Consider an exit strategy. It's also a good idea to consider an exit strategy as you compile your business plan. Generating some idea of how you'll eventually exit the business forces you to look to the future. When you board an airplane, what is the first thing they show you? How to get off of it. When you go to a movie, what do they point out before the feature begins to play? Where the exits are. During your first week of kindergarten, they line up all the kids and teach them fire drills to exit the building. Too many times I have witnessed business leaders that don't have 3 or 4 predetermined exit routes. This has led to lower company value and even destroyed family relationships. When you're ready to put pen to paper, use a free template to help. 3. Assess your finances. Starting any business has a price, so you need to determine how you will cover those costs. Do you have the means to fund your startup, or will you need to borrow money? If you're planning to leave your current job to focus on your business, do you have savings to support yourself until you make a profit? Find out how much your startup costs will be. Many startups fail because they run out of money before turning a profit. It's never a bad idea to overestimate the amount of startup capital you need, as it can take time before the business begins to bring in sustainable revenue. Perform a break-even analysis. One way you can determine how much money you need is to perform a break-even analysis. This essential element of financial planning helps business owners determine when their company, product or service will be profitable. The formula is simple. Fixed costs divided by average price per unit, variable costs, equals break-even point. Furthermore, it helps you understand exactly where your profits come from, so you can set production goals accordingly. Furthermore, it helps you understand exactly where your profits come from, so you can set production goals accordingly. Furthermore, it helps you understand exactly where your profits come from, so you can set production goals accordingly. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.